The EU is phasing out traditional Schengen visa stickers and replacing them with fully digital barcodes. In this video, we talk about what this means for travelers and what you need to know.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance.
The European Union is overhauling the Schengen visa process by replacing traditional visa stickers with secure digital barcodes, a move that will make applying for and holding a Schengen visa faster, safer, and paper-free. The EU plans to digitize the entire Schengen visa system by 2028. The aim is to improve security, cut processing times, and eliminate the need for paper-based applications. The transition began with a pilot run during the 2024 Paris Olympics, when France issued 70,000 digital Schengen visas. These digital visas featured scannable barcodes that linked to the EU's central visa system, allowing border agents to quickly access a traveler's information. Once fully rolled out, travelers will be able to apply online, upload required documents, pay fees digitally, track their application status, and receive a digitally signed visa barcode. First-time applicants will still need to visit a consulate or visa center in person to provide biometric data, but follow-up applications will be easier. The shift to a digital Schengen visa marks a significant step towards simplifying travel to Europe. As implementation progresses toward the 2028 deadline, staying informed through official EU channels will be essential. What are your thoughts on this issue? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.